my bed, man. Hundreds on my head, man. I ain't talking hip, man. Talking about the bread. In and out of state because I got it like that. I hop on the market, what's the price of that there? That coin looking solid, it's gon' take off like that. Make a couple hundred while I'm sitting right here. Thank God I am here. Put them haters in my rear view. I don't give a fuck cause I see this shit with a clear view. Hundreds in my bag, I've been in my bag. Told her I don't mean to flex, I told her my bad. Told her that I get the checks, I get them too fast. She told me she want no part unless we gon' last. I can't say for sure, but girl, I can promise you this. You too fine, need a ticket. This chance I will not miss it. I'm gon' sit this red, man. I'm gon' party meds, man. They ask me what's going on, and I've been stacking bread, man. Baddie in my bed, man. Hundreds on my head, man. I ain't talking hip, man. Talking about the bread.
Sit this red. Sit this red. I ain't just man on this shit no more. Sit this red. I can't start now.
I'm gon' sit this red, man. I'm gon' party meds, man. They ask me what's going on, and I've been stacking bread, man. Baddie in my bed, man. Hundreds on my head, man. I ain't talking hip, man. Talking about the bread.
In and out of state because I got it like.
Caught up in my ways, still in that same lane. Still in that photo, but I guarantee that gon' change. Hundreds on the way, bad bitch on the way. Dirty money, clean money, that shit all the same. Need a wrist like Johnny Dang, that bitch that need to be tamed. Whole zip with a good old drink. No friends, but I got deep franks. I'm numb to all this pain. New day, every day is pay. Ain't no game I can be played. This could put me up in space. I've been trying to change my ways. Ride down ocean, do ain't changing. Picking up the paper off the lean, it got me swaying. I just wanna love my safe. You know that I secure my bank. Think about the shit I could've done. What I do any other way? This real life, not no game. I done made it through the rain. I'm gon' get my bag right, don't give one fuck about fame. Maybe cop a watch, maybe cop a chain. Run into these bands, I know that I'm gon' maintain. Ay, running like a race, you know I'm gon' keep my pace. Maybe diamonds on my face, maybe mansion for a place. I just gotta say my grace, I'm alive, gotta get my thanks. Walk into the bank with some 50s and some francs. Need a wrist like Johnny Dang, that bitch that need to be tamed. Whole zip with a good old drink. No friends, but I got deep franks. I'm numb to all this pain. New day, every day is pay. Ain't no game I can be played. This could put me up in space.
I roll and spark me a L. Smokes out the shit, cheap. I just made a few bands in my sleep. Can't get caught up way too deep. I go get some guard repeat. Who the fuck stopping me? Who the fuck calling me? Oh, always got with me. Hey.
In my ways, still in that same lane. Still in that photo, but I guarantee that gon' change. Hundreds on the way, bad bitch on the way. Dirty money, clean money, that shit all the same. Need a wrist like Johnny Dang, that bitch that need to be tamed. Whole zip with a good old drink. No friends, but I got deep franks. I'm numb to all this pain. New day, every day is pay. Ain't no game I can be played. This could put me up in space. Need a wrist like Johnny Dang, that bitch that need to be tamed. Whole zip with a good old drink. No friends, but I got deep. I'm numb to all this pain. New day, every day is pay. Ain't no game I can be played. This could put me up in space.
Energy on coast. I might hit vice, coach a street for the low. Treat it like a sight, punching up a dose. I'm allergic to animals, but I be around some goats. Call me about a couple G's. And you know it's on the floor. Chop off your hands, you touch any hair on Gloria. I just got some fire head on Royal Hills off Peoria. in Florida. Touchdown in the coat, spinach on coast. I might hit Vice, coach the street for the low. Treat it like a sight, punching up at those. I'm allergic to animals, but I be around some goats. I might take a triple T, baby mama no. Rex genetics, this ain't your ordinary dough. Spend some dirty money on some sleep. I should clean it with some soap. Bankroll call me about a couple G, you know it's on the flow. Wood filled with dope, spinach on coke. Wood filled with dope, spinach on coke. That's on in the coat, spinach on coke. Then I hit Vice and got a T for the low. We low, wood filled with dope, baby don't choke. Take you up to Aspen, spin a G on the coat. Ever been to Vail? I can take you on some slows. I don't let nobody know. You can put on the Grammy and let everybody know. I can put you on Chanel if you can clear me like your throat. Pockets full of Nipsey blues and they singing a C note. I know you wanna see some action, I can do it if you don't. It's on me, baby. She beat it and he broke. She hit the speed. I know you wanna draw the bow. Shit, I hit Fendi. I speak 400 on a cloak. Yes indeed, give me that water, I stay afloat. Chop off your hands, you touch any hair on Gloria. I just got some fire head on Royal Hills off period. Got a bitch think I'm cuffing her, but she don't know I got plans of ignoring her. I done touch more dead men than the motherfucking coroner. Big car from out the States, might call that shit a foreigner. 50 in the ones finna throw it up. Skrilly bitches, they going up. All my niggas, they blowing up. Ain't no way we slowing up. Pressure pack from Denver, but I'm all the way in Florida. Touchdown in the coat, spinach on coast. I might hit Vice, coach the street for the low. Treat it like a sight, punching up at those. I'm allergic to animals, but I be around some goats. I might take a triple T, baby mama no. Rex genetics, this ain't your ordinary dough. Spend some dirty money on some sleep. I should clean it with some soap. Bankroll call me about a couple G, you know it's on the flow.
Pull up one deep on me, plus two chicks, two freaks on me. Get your ass blocked, no reach on me. Everywhere I go, I got a piece on me. Lately I've been exhausted. Let's get this party poppin'. I feel too much too often. No more talking. For the night. Turn it up, turn off the lights. If we turn up how we want to, we gon' be alright. And I've been burning time. I got too much on my mind, and the way your body working got me hypnotized. Got me hypnotized. What the problem? Hear that dum dum dum, it'll solve 'em. Drop a Zane in my soda to dissolve 'em. Pull up so quick, no problem. Hey problem, what the problem? Hear that dum dum dum, it'll solve 'em. Drop a Zane in my soda to dissolve 'em. Hey, we all numb for the night. Turn it up, turn off the lights. If we turn up how we want to, we gon' be alright. And I've been burning time. I got too much on my mind, and the way your body working got me hypnotized. Got me hypnotized.
sure. Yeah. For real for sure. For real for sure. For real for sure. For real for sure. My money like an echo. You hear it from chasing the dope. Bunnies from chasing the dope. Friends on top in the seat. For real. And if they come with me, they with me. Who's surrender the city? She good with that, my part like shimmies. Earrings, they dancing, they shimmy. Subies, they clean, get they shut out the cleaner. She let up my sticks, so she leave me cleaned up. My is up, you go. Yeah, I'm chasing that up. That money 100, I'm up. 20s and 50s on blow. Shaking eyes when I go up. Go be my mom. Go be my mom. Go be my mom. I put this move on with Texas. Take a flight, then I make a play Texas. They say that your heart's so aggressive. Trying to send it, but they don't get the message. Long time I take a L, when I'm running Lexus. You might get set, I'm gone. You might get set, I'm going. You might get set, gone. Wonder where I'm going. Spend 5 on the HD now. Finna make 15 more for being a million. Finna collect this money, I ain't talking about a settlement. Wish he ain't got a bad nigga cause he hesitant. I spend that back if you give me a head of it. Be a leaf, take me to the head like medicine. You might get set, you go. Yeah, I'm chasing that up. That money 100, I'm up. 20s and 50s on blow. Shaking eyes when I go up. Go be my mom. Go be my mom. Go be my mom.
All in on you, can't lose with you. All in on you, high stakes, it's true. Let my heart from the start, no folding now. Show me how. All in on you, nothing left to prove. All in on you, taking chances with you. Playing for keeps, no more sleep. Just you and me. Let it be, let it be. Higher and higher we fly, taking chances tonight. Higher and higher we fly, all in, alright. Bet my heart from the start, no looking down, crown to crown. All you, can't lose with you. All you, high stakes is true. Take a chance. All you, nothing left to prove. All you, taking chances with you.
Yo, welcome to the stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. I cannot believe this. You guys are like so on Super excited. I'm excited to finally play and dev for an audience, I guess. So we'll do one more song, and then I'll give you guys a quick update. It's actually Eid, and we're having a barbecue, so it's only right, check in with you guys. And I'm seeing so much activity and so much adoption. It just makes me really, really tender inside. So, all right, let me play this one more song. We'll finish this song. We'll play one more song, and let's get to the stream. Drop your questions, comments, anything else in the comments or the chats, and I'll check before we get out of the stream. Yeah, stay tuned. You know.
Just you and me, just you and me. Boy, it's you.
All right, yeah, that was wholesome, man. That's a great song. It's called "Tonight" by Ryder, Cyber Ryder, that is. It's your boy. Um, yeah, welcome in, guys. Thank you for tuning in to your computer, the BONK computer, Um, it is arguably the biggest meme of the decade, maybe arguably even the century, and definitely the biggest meme of the last century, right? Computer age has really taken off since 1999. You know, uh, when they said adoption and innovation has stopped and stifled, I think it never does. We always cooking. There's always some base dev out there cooking, and I truly am so um, just shocked by like how many of you guys are tuning in and like building with us and giving us feedback, contributing in so many ways, so many different ways. It's really mind blowing, and yeah, it's been really emotional too. Like you know, just receiving so much love and working on receiving um, the love. I've always built products and always built services for other people, and um, and even then, I don't know if I've seen a rate of adoption that's like as fast as BONK Computer is. So I love you guys. Like, thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions for me, I'm happy to answer and happy to showcase and talk about whatever you guys want to talk about. I have a couple of things from earlier today. We streamed for a few hours and we worked on the optimization for mobile, and we been testing it in staging, of course, and obviously that was, I mean, what was that, like 10 hours ago? And I got a little bit of sleep and been testing. Um, so there are a few things that are live on the site now. You have your bonk swap is live, so you guys can use that today. In the tonight stream, we make sure that we get the graphics and things like that when we push the update that we did yesterday that we've been testing today. So tonight you guys will see that update be pushed live to the site there, and we'll test it in the real environment for production. Um, Rather than the alt production, and doing the stress testing for different cases. Um, we've also another update that I don't know if some of you know or not, but we have 10x the capacity of just everything involved in the computer. So more users, we keep hitting the limits, and that's um, a great problem to have. I mean, like I said, I'm so shocked and humbled by your love and your support, so like also please, give me that grace to have time to absorb absorb this amount of love and appreciation. um yeah, I appreciate it, guys. So but without that, even without that, I think I'm absorbing it pretty well and feeling really good about the computer and about what's coming, this upcoming week. It's the weekend, and a lot of our partners and people that have been working with us last week, are rightfully so, are taking a quick break. So when we come back next week, we have an array of partnerships that's official partnerships that will be announced on both sides and things like that. Um, and then I have a roster of builders that have been building apps for our computer, and apps that we can all share, and they are optimized in certain ways. And I think that's cool, having an interface like that for the community. Then the VM timeline for paid members. Um, you guys already see the buttons for um, the VM controls like refresh or starting a new session or new VM, import and export. And for the paid members that have been trying it out, I um, I appreciate your feedback, and we're working on those, kind of user experience optimizations there. But it's good tech. Tech works, and like we said yesterday, and I don't know who exactly said it in the chat, but shout out to you. Um, yeah, I wonder if, the Ethereum virtual machine was this usable on day four, right? Is was the was the comment, and I think that's big talk, right? But I like that attitude, and possibilities are limitless. I must remind myself of this all the time because they are, and we just kind of we live in a bubble and we just like think like, oh, uh, maybe it's not possible, right? But the fact is, it is though. And so with that attitude, uh, woke up this morning and feeling the weight of the shoulders, right, and not checking the chart as well, which also gives me a certain type of anxiety. Because not knowing the price and not having to know because I'm just a developer, guys. Like, I'm not a trader. And I've never actually, like, I mean, I tried trading. I really like have a lot of sympathy and love and respect for anyone that's trading that's lost money, or like anyone that's just trading in general and making money. Like, I have a lot of respect for you guys because it is really like a difficult thing. And it takes a certain amount of attention. And I think most people, that are doing it are just fucking geniuses because they have that what is required. The people that are doing it that are successful anyways, and that are spending the time and effort. So big shout out to you. But me personally, I it didn't work out for me, except to just develop the apps. And since a long time ago, like I remember trading memes right before like Pump Fun and all these Let's Bonk, right, which are the best platform. They're just getting better and better, right, and iterating. But before that, right, you'd have the actual rugs, the actual things that are going on in the industry. And I just decided to do what I'm good at and focus there, focus my energy there. Maybe one day it'll pay off, and so far it hasn't been bad. It hasn't been that good, but it definitely hasn't been bad. And it has, if nothing else, it's been something that I won't regret doing, right? Like, it's something I always think about, like, is this thing that I'm doing future proof, for my own thoughts, for my own, when I look back at this, is it, worthwhile, or, has it been, is it still going, right? Is it future proof? Is it vertically scalable when we build something? And like, I've had a lot of skills, over the years, filled some jobs in management and business, and executive branches. And I've also have skills like music and audio engineering, and was a full-time DJ at one point, um, working the bars in Denver, and then of course in 2019 I started developing full-time and working with open source and contributing in different ecosystems in blockchain. And I never knew that like there would be a time when like all of these things kind of like literally all of these things would come into one thing, and like this stream is an example of that thing, right? Where it's like everything that I've built and learned, and the lightheartedness of the meme community, and the my respect for humor and respect for memes and meme culture, as a developer, and not and knowing that what, there is a utility. You know what the utility is? The utility is it gets the people going. Like that Kanye, Jay-Z song. But it's just like it gets the people going, and that is a utility. That's, I mean, that's literally that's a great utility. Look at um, anything that'll get your heart racing, and get you up. Like coffee, cigarettes, weed, whatever it is, whatever your thing is. Not promoting any of these things, but those things are valuable to us as a as a society. So like I think that's one of the value of just straight up meme culture, you know, and meme coins are just a crystallization of the value capture of this value that the memes bring. And again, arguably the biggest meme that I can think of is, you know, like when we put out that Gates BONK computer meme, like that really is like the crystal of the vision right there, you know. It's like the biggest meme on the biggest, you know, thing that we use, um, that we need more and more of. You know, ironically, we keep getting more compute, but we keep running out of compute because we use what we make. We find a way to use it, right? And that's the idea here. It's like everyone is thinking about compute as we know it now. Like that's cute, okay? But where we're going is so much exponentially higher as far as compute goes. If you look at the laws of compute and what's happening in microchips and what's happening, you know, just everywhere in the industry with AI and innovation itself exploding. Um, so I mean, it's like an S curve on top of an S curve. That's already two S curves. But we already have blockchain and AI and autonomous vehicles and, you know, nanotechnology and robotics, and all of those are S curves right now. So this is on top of those S curves. So I don't know if I even comprehend where we're going, but I just know that it's so much different, and we have to start thinking about applications and connectivity and interfaces in a complete new way. And another thing is like, you know, it's been 4 days, right? Like it's amazing what we've done in 4 days. But it has been, you know, not that long, and maybe five. Is it 5 days? Maybe five. But it has not been that long. So the idea is like we also have a lot of features that we wanted to add on, and we wanted to make sure that, you know, it was cool with everyone that's involved in the community. And because the community exploded so fast, also we started listening to what people are saying. So for example, the staking um, is kind of being, you know, revamped, right? We're thinking about taking some of the suggestions from you guys in the community, and you know we'll be, you know, making the final cut, you know, tonight, right? So so we'll see kind of like what happens together, but it's just to make it more beneficial to the users. And so instead of throwing it on live right now, because once we throw it on, like that's it. It's whatever it is there, you know, it's gonna be that until like, you know, very much a further notice, if not never changing. And so we wanted to make sure we gave the community time to reply, you know, because I put it up a day and a half ago and said, you know, hey, like we're about to push this, but like this is how it works. Here's the white paper, here's the light paper, and you know, here's the info. And you guys spoke. You guys spoke out, and you came to me and said, you know, there's what about this idea? Like this is so cool, like right? But like, how about we add this to it, right? And I'm not gonna be revealing like too much about what we're adding for the mechanics, but uh, it's, you know, there's a few ideas, right? And so once we solidify one of them, then or all of them or whatever it is, then tonight we come together and we make that a reality. I do like one aspect came out from the legends at the Atlanta Blockchain Center, and shout out to you guys. Uh, I think liquid staking is an interesting concept. I've been working in algorithmic trading with Jito for a little bit of time. But we have a Geyser RPC. We have our Solana RPC node here also locally. Um, and I think liquid staking is a hell of a thing. You know, I actually made a couple of liquid staking products, but on the EVM side, and I made a liquid staking roll-up solution for like a Bitcoin virtual machine that I had worked on a while back on the Bitcoin network. Um, and so I've had this background of liquid staking um, and the interactions with Gito's team. So um, I like that idea. Let's just say that. That's all I'll say about the staking part. And the way we wanted to do it, since like I mean we don't have any tokens like notably to allow for like a regular staking program, right? Because most projects that do some staking, what they do is they'll have a bunch of the supply that gets unlocked and whatever things like that or like there's some supply for the stake and rewards, right? But we did a complete fair launch, didn't tell anyone, and just stealthed it. I mean, and I was shocked from the first 5 minutes it bonded, and I was literally not ready for that as far as having any allocation into the project. um, and so that's just amazing. But the cool thing is, right, is like Let's Bonk found a way to keep developers incentivized, and that's by providing some of the fees going to the developer. So I think that's cool, and again, I've done a lot of work like this just because I have the passion for it, but I've done it for peanuts, for nothing, before. So to see the type of dedication that I have come to a community that takes it and runs with it and is interested and is using it. I mean, we have over 300 active users, which is insanity. Um, we had a lot more than 1,000 sign up for the app and log in just once. So that's also cool. Again, super humbled by you guys. I hope that you're feeling just as good about the computer as I am, and just understand that like we are so early here. Um, and we're not going anywhere. We have everything that we do ties here somehow, and that's what I was saying about everything that I've built, guys, like over the years. It's like comes together. So um, it's a beautiful time to be alive. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I had a bunch of notifications from the group. I looked in there, and you guys have the buy bot, so I seen that chart is up. I'm so happy for whoever got in at the very bottom, and whoever supported the project from just supporting me or loving me, even if you're not using the computer. So I will definitely keep working um, every day on this and even harder. And yeah, excited for the next phase of the computer where it gets a little bit more um, into memeing the institutional side of you know software development and launching software also. So I think that's cool. Um, Providing a launch place for young developers that Shamashi and I teach developers, and they're young. We have Kids Code Club, so it's pretty young developers. But at the end of the day, um, that's our future. Those are the people that are gonna lead the way here in a few years, in a couple years. So providing that is cool too. So, all right, yeah, I hope you guys had some good insight from this stream. I'll keep it nice, short, and sweet. And yeah, a couple of more updates coming out tonight, and you know, in the live tonight. But yeah, for now, enjoy the swap, the staking information that's up there now. It's just gonna halt for a little second. You'll see um, the message at the top of the computer. Actually, let's go here to the screen. You'll see the message on top of the computer go away a little bit later today as we push the update that we did this morning. And yeah, sometimes I get on the stream and I forget what that it was just like this morning. So before we go here, I'm going to. Oh yeah, and the swap is completely live. computer is live. Paid memberships are live. So, if you guys have any questions on those things, please let me know. Reach out, and then we'll throw that uh, the new staking program, however it looks like, on as soon as possible. Also, the mobile optimizations work also for me. So I've been using the computer on my iPad, and we have yesterday also we double checked that npm the package was left out. So we have Python automatically installed for you guys, and you can start developing now. If you are a developer, I think you should join the Let's Bonk hackathon. You could run some of that, like, cutting edge code from whatever open source repo that you see or project that you see that you think, hey, you know what, I can add a cool iteration here, right? And you can run that code on Bonk computer. You can come here, clone that, repo that you don't know much about, right? Because you never know. These repos can get, some malicious code in them from time to time, and some of the best have fallen that way. So make sure that you completely know the code that you're running, and that way you can, you know, kill it at the hackathon. Maybe you can win, right? And a lot of people are saying, the computer should join the hackathon, and I think the computer is here for developers. If we have, you know, enough developers come onto the computer, and enough people adopt it, I think we just want to make sure that opportunity goes to someone that can use it, that hasn't had the support and the love that we are receiving. I mean, like I said, guys, it's really emotional. I damn near like gonna cry every time I think about it. So we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna let you know that, yeah, just go ahead and hit the hackathon up, get clone whatever you're trying to do real quick in here, and you know I've been doing the Eliza OS thing with Spartan. So you come here, you type this little cool spell, and then boom, you have an AI quant right there for you, Spartan. All right, and you know what? I'll just go here. Okay, what do we have? So let's just do like nano readme dot md. Oh, where's my caps? Or is it? There's no nano. All right. Well, we'll have to OP this as well, but I assume there's no Vim either. Shamashi is on that, but yeah, I'm about to put the hands on this VM as well. But if nothing else, right, you come here and then you go to your folder, Spartan. We just downloaded this, or we just cloned this here. And then this is the file I was trying to open through the terminal, but whatever. There's a few ways to skin a cat here. Yeah, this looks cool, right? What is it? It's the resident Solana-based DeFi trading warlord, no BS, tactician who blends alpha with attitude. He's part shit poster, part protocol whisperer, and all about winning. If it means dying on chain, for the memes. All right. So Spartan is a sophisticated DeFi agent with a range of capabilities, and these are the capabilities. So again, you can do things here for your hackathon, and join the hackathon. Join Let's Bonk hackathon. And yeah, thank you guys for the love. Make sure you join the waitlist for operate.fun, and I'll see you guys around. Actually, matter of fact, before we go, let me check the Telegram and the Twitter comments. Let's see here. You can probably also play something in the back. Let's see. Oh, cool. Cool. It says that mobile is working for him. The keyboard pops up. That's awesome. That's what we did. One of the things we did this morning. That's great. That's great. Great to hear. All right. see. Ending, and then the next one is 10:10 computer standard time. So if you guys know what that is, that's CST. So next stream is 10:10 computer standard time, or around there. So it's approximately, just so nobody's like waiting. Um, we do it as soon as we can. Sometimes I even go earlier. All right. So what else? What other chat we have? We have other chats. I literally have like 100 messages from you guys, like just now. Yeah, I just need a little bit of time to catch it. Okay, just give me a little bit of time, fam. Oh goodness, that's awesome. Um, cool. Yeah, a lot of supportive messages. I'm also looking forward to any constructive feedback that you guys have. Um, big brain devs have worked on all of these packages and all of these things to be put together for you. It's not just me. It's a lot of work from the serverless function side on Vercel, the E2B team, the Tapestry team, Solana starter kit, obviously with Privy as well. Shout out to everyone that's involved. We have the AI capabilities from all the majors, from uh, OpenAI or Anthropic to Google and DeepSeek, and Quen, Alibaba. So shout out to Alibaba team for specifically supporting us, like you know, so hard, so hard. So love you guys for sure. Um, yeah. Let's see here. We have a raid. Make sure you guys go raid Soul Kaiser. Soul Kaiser is just lit with it. Thank you for your love and support. It means the world to us, like seriously. So, what else? Let's see. Is there any messages on the chat itself? Uh, yeah, man. And like I said before, it feels good. Someone was saying like Bonk devs build different, and yeah, shout out Bonk, right? Bonk coin. That's really it gave a life to a lot of devs and a lot of people that worked early in Solana that we didn't get those types of rewards or action because the community wasn't there yet, and memes weren't there yet. There's a lot of work that needed to be done for those things to be developed, right? So yeah. Yeah. He said, Dev, last stream you said something about Kanye West. Um, well, there's a couple of things. I'm not sure what exactly I said there, but yeah, we've developed quite the quite the reputation for ghost productions. So we ghost produced for Kanye at one point. Um, he's just a hop, skip, and a jump from here in Wyoming, So I hope that's what you were looking for. But I think I vaguely remember we said something else. If you could remind me a little bit more, or maybe just we'll go back to the stream together and listen to what I did say. Was that from last night's or the one before? Because yeah, I kind of vaguely remember saying something, but I don't know what it is. But yeah, thank you, Soul Kaiser. Let me know if you remember or anybody else has heard me talk my shit. Then yeah, remind me. Um, computer. Yeah, it's the biggest meme. Biggest meme for sure. You never run out of memes for this one. So yeah, we're gonna do a meme competition soon that we're you'll use the AI that I've been using to make like the meme you see on the screen there, which is a famous meme of this dog like looking just like that, right? But on the other side. So yes, yes, I did work with Yay. I was saying where my tokens at one stream. I'm just like, yo, Yay, what's up with the tokens, man? Send me something, dude. At least send me the CA. You know what I mean? Oh man. Yes, yes, man. Work with them closely, like in the same room, right? And there's a bunch of NDAs and stuff like that that go on into the record industry. But I left the record industry in 2019, and it's just I've never wanted to go back. All the things that you guys are seeing now about these like predators that are at the top of every company and things like that. I'm not gonna name names, but these things are real. And I seen the bullshit. Like man, one time it was crazy. No, I'm not even gonna say this story, but like it's just like I always left, right? I always like it was just like nah, fuck this, I'm out. And so it's just like it's okay for me to just listen to my own music and hype myself up. That's good enough for me. And if I made money doing it, that would be awesome. And so I just started having my own clients and record engineering at a very high level. And so I would go to different people's mansions and places, studios, whatever, and record them there with my setup. And a lot of times, like what I record, like anywhere, I can record you in your living room, and it'll sound better than if you go to your local, best recording studio, just because of the level of experience of the people I studied under is like way up there. Hopefully, the music you hear on my streams reflect what I'm saying, 'cause I hate to just yap off like I'm a great engineer, but I mean, I do know that I'm one of the best out there. So there's also no like uh, uh, self-doubt or anything like that over here. It's just big vibes. So yeah, man. Yeah, go ahead and raid Soul Kaiser's tweet. Let me go back on X. Who else is commenting what? And oh, we have YouTube too. We're live on YouTube. Oh, so tonight I'll be live on Kick and Twitch as well. Now you're probably watching this on X, so you probably don't care, but I'm just letting you know. Wow. Wow. You guys have like give me so much love, dude. Great project. Insane. Thanks, fam. All right. Now let me just see the chat. Is there a chat here? All right. Oh well. Thank you guys for tuning in. Just thought to check in real quick with you and let you know, man, this is just the beginning, and we have so many cool things coming up. We just, there's no shortage of ideas and execution here. So, alrighty, we'll play one more. We'll play this all in the rest of the song, and I'll see you guys at 10:10. Computer Geek number 1 out.